Hey.
Guys, Southeast Soft Wash. What's today? The 7th, Thursday, October 7th. So we had a big pickup last Friday. Did you got it last Friday?
Friday, yeah.
Yeah. So I didn't get to meet him because he came and grabbed it and rolled out. So got the Mini Skid Pro last Friday, and Columbus. He lives in Columbus, not too far. Looks like an hour and a half. So he's had it a week, and everything's good. Used it several times, loves it. Everything's great, but he had a problem. So sent in a support ticket yesterday and called him, and his electric start on the pressure washer wasn't working. It was just tick, 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 tick.
Oh, yeah.
So how long have you been here right now when you pulled up for me to take a look at it?
About 7 minutes. 7 good minutes.
Yeah. So guys, we don't run a repair shop. It would be a nightmare for us to do that. But I knew it was going to be something simple. I was suspecting, and since he's semi-local, so what it wound up being, just as for future reference for anybody, check your grounds. Ground right there, and there's up there all the terminals. So when we put them in, we tighten everything down. But vibration, driving it, bouncing down the road, and it really wasn't loose. It was still getting power to the key start. And so he could still pull start it, because the good thing about these is they do still have the pull start option, but he had to cut it off up there on the switch. So easy fix, check your grounds. That's happened to me before. Get out there and brack your brain, and it's like, well, daggum, that nut is backed off 1/3 of a turn. So glad it was something easy.
Oh yeah.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Go back to Columbus, man.
All right, man.
Make some money.
Got to.
All right, guys. See you later.
All right.